Fix in 5. P0266. P0266 means the engine's second cylinder injector isn't receiving the PR. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. MIL illuminated. Verify with OBD2 scanner, freeze frame data, rough idle or stumble at low RPM. Verify with test drive, note RPM variation, cylinder 2 misfiring under acceleration. Verify with live cylinder balance scan, reduced fuel economy. Verify with fuel consumption baseline check. Now the most likely causes. Loose or corroded injector connector, high resistance at connector pins. Open or short circuit in injector wiring harness, typically 5 to 8 ohms resistance in good condition. Faulty fuel injector, cylinder 2. Coil resistance typically 12 to 16 ohms. Above 20 ohms indicates failure. ECM or injector driver module fault, less common. One mistake to avoid. Limited. While in many cases the car may still be drivable for short distances with a P0266 code, it's not advisable to ignore it. Continued driving with a cylinder contribution imbalance can cause increased fuel consumption, reduce engine. Here's how a pro pins it down. Read all stored codes with a diagnostic scan tool and CHE. Clear codes and road test to confirm if the code returns A. Inspect the injector wiring harness and connector at silent. Using a stethoscope, listen for injector clicking on sili. Swap cylinder 2's injector with another cylinder's. If ACC, perform a fuel pressure and injector balance test using OE. How to fix it. Clean or replace fuel injector in cylinder 2. Replace fuel injector driver circuit if ECM diagnosis confirms failure. Replace ignition coil in cylinder 2. Replace spark plug in cylinder 2. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45 120 doing it yourself, or €165 240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0266? The cost to fix P0266 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0266. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.